that shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn.
Big baller, got my Benzema. Whole pa me neck, nah give me eczema. Big baller, got my Benzema. Anyway you see me, you a fissy 10 killer.
Guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm so tired. Guys, I literally just did 2 weddings, alright? Both weddings had very close times. We might as well put out a clip or recorded, but currently I had my car, I was getting my car steam cleaned in the meantime. I'm obsessed with steam cleaning. I don't do it all the time though, it's just recently I got into it, but yeah. So I'm just back here waiting, but I did like 8 faces in total today, and I'm just waiting to get it. It's been a very busy morning. After this I'm gonna head home. Guys, it's in the morning time. It's night / morning, and we are going out the road. Look.
Never expect them to go to this.
Divine.
Never expect me to go to this right time. I know. Merry Christmas, Merry belated Christmas, Happy New Year. Yeah, I don't know this Saturday. St. Lucia Car Park. Episode JA. In this way of party. Even with attack, don't get run off the place, bro. So this is the bro.
Guys, so they want street dance. Street dance night. And let me tell you guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning and the place just people just are walking. So that's like going to Jamaica. Yeah, 5 o'clock in the morning. And I think we're going to a boat ride after. I'm behind the sofa. Guys, so we're going to this all-white boat ride party. The back driving. A lot of people come here. It's after 6 a.m.
Sister Bunny, look at this. I don't know anything already. Start. I mean, I want to power right through. See, big up filings. Not the money, woman, no, you're just doing fresh. No, I I'm your one money, show up here to represent ya.
Guys, so we left that party. We didn't stay that long, which we really don't mind. It was a good vibe though. It was really packed, and as you can see, I got just a few clips from it. But yeah, right now we're heading home and we're going to sleep. When you're a goodie and you do your own makeup and it turns out like this, what you feel herself.
Yes, we're glad.
She is going out tonight. She going out with her friends. Really do well.
I did?
Yes, look at the glow. What glow are you wearing?
The Artist Couture one I found in there.
What your eyebrow them though? You get soon, very soon. I won't need to touch your face. Like I don't even think I need to touch your face anymore.
No,
guys.
No, you're too far now.
Guys, tell me what you think about her makeup. She did it herself. Yes, I taught her.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, feel the same.
Yeah.
So girl, oh, you gonna do it here now. Don't tell me say I gonna do it in that ketchup there.
Which ketchup?
Ketchup we have in your head. What you going to do? Let it out, right? Yeah. Like half up, half down, like what you do when we go see him. I never see him. Oh, go a Moda collection thing.
Alright.
Yes, do it like that.
Okay.
A long time you not ride up your ear, you know. You see her face, people? Me see when you come on to your channel, me not even look at her. What's up? Big jump, big jump. It's actually New Year's Eve. Well, now it's New Year's Day. We were getting ready and 12 o'clock passed, and when I reach out the road, that happens every year. Like, I really wanted to make it out on the road earlier this year, because honestly I started to do my makeup from after 8, but then I paused and I did pause on my face, and then I did Taninia's makeup. Then Devon take long for reach, so he made me late because he was on the road. But yeah, so all of that. So anyway, right now we're going to head out to the party. We are going to end up back at the estate. Guys, so we're on our way now. Devon over here. Say hi. Yes. 2019. Yeah.
All of the crosses them in the last year. Don't bring them in another year.
Right.
Last year, perfect and prime example. What you say now? I want some cliche without feel go real something, but
you know what? I think
things we expect from certain people, you don't get that from them. You never expect certain things from, and then care where you're supposed to get and where you look for. Well, in other words, the sources them where you look for. You look certain energy from certain source, and you expect certain so you get it from.
So just try this year to focus on you in every aspect. No matter if you see somebody else travel the world, no matter if you see somebody else get rich, just focus on you. Trust the process, because everybody have for them special time for shine.
That's a chore.
Okay, so don't envy anybody for anything that they have, whether
divinity them not envy people. You're not weird or something.
Alright, so if you're a true divinity, then you're not envy nobody. But yeah, so right now we're on our way to the party. I wish we did at least even dip on the road I drive, because they when all of the excitement are going, you know?
You want to on the road and fireworks and go to the fire?
Yeah, what? Walking into the party, guys. We're over by the Chinese gardens, over by Hope Garden. Entrance. Wow.
If you lose on the keys, you have some keys by the DJ. Big up to the girl that somebody that just don't believe it. If I tell you I love you.
We up down.
All the guys can go.
Some boy called Romy. We up down. leaving now. It's not done yet, but we decided to leave. Tanya, yeah, tell them Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
Guys, so they are up to on Mondays. I'm drinking a soup. Like, you guys know that I love drinking soup, right? talk to you guys in the morning. Alright, so we're on our way to Sands. We are going to Sands Divine over here, so them doing it at a different location this time, but no one say despite that the place still have a pack up, but I feel like it's a bit of
one army, what them thing? That man daddy, Louis V don't know fat fat. Little bitch ass nigga, stress you out. No. He be giving away the dick, give away the pussy. Ladies, it makes no sense. You be giving up from the day you were born. She living it up and she out there. She doing it with mommy or no thing.
Okay, give me mostly soup. How much is it? How much fee? $200. Getting soup, guys. What's up? It's morning time. I just wanted to end the vlog here because I'm gonna go straight. Oh yeah, afternoon. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I realized that I didn't end it from last night, and I'm gonna continue right into the next one. So literally, as I end this, when I end this clip, I'm going to start it back. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned, it's coming up. Thank you guys for watching again. I really appreciate it.